finally, we got to eat that earth dragon that's been set up since season 1. And it is that elf guy's dream come true, except Mukoda and everyone, they do not care. He's like yapping about his entire life story. Mukoda's like, anyways, Sui is cute as usual. Dora kind of talked about how it's not cannibalism to eat a dragon, as long as it's not the same subspecies. We're going into the dungeon, I think, and to have some fun. Let's see what happens today. Dungeon. I want to see Dora fight. We gotta see this. And Sui go pew pew. I want to see Mukoda's new powers too. Look at him hold on to Fenrir like that. Well, he's so scared. The dungeon with ready-made food. You can just smell the power level? Let's speedrun it. Hop on. Yo, there's adventurers there. We just did a drive-by, just saved their asses. Bye. Oh! Dead! Dude, the traps don't matter. This is such a spoiled way of doing a dungeon. We're so high level and cracked that like we're just bypassing all the gimmicks. Like Danmachi, they're alive. Whoa. Whoa, the life cycle of a dungeon. The lore here, I know, no, this show doesn't need to be that like serious or deep, but the dungeon mechanics, interesting. The humans are like compost. Oh. Another trap. We just jump over it. It don't matter. Yeah. Fell solo carry. Oh. Keep running. Too weak. Could it be good food? Can we even eat the dungeon monsters actually? I don't think we can. Bald? Not bald. Really weird hairstyle. Oh. No, chill. Not first. Manners? Wonder if there's gonna be someone shitty enough to steal the loot. I hate those people, bro. They just wait until the if the game allows for such exploits to happen, for people to go in and just fucking steal the loot and run. Someone's in there right now. It's quiet though. I hear more sounds. No sounds. Are they dead inside? How about we just kill them both? That'd be morbid, huh? Like we don't have time. We kill the monster and the party and take the loot for ourselves. But that'd be like so evil. That'd be way too dark for a show like this. Nah, this is the limit. We've got wives and kids. That's some crazy death flags. Yeah, you should go home. Smart. We don't got wives or kids. Let's go. Does the boss respawn? I guess it did. The venom. Done? Done. Okay, Dora has been hinted to be really strong from the beginning. I think Fel kind of respected that. But then the blessing from the God of War from a couple episodes ago. Okay, I wanted to see what he was like without the blessing, but he's okay then. One shot. Loot. So nice, it comes in a jar. Can we eat it? Done. Let's go, Sui. Pew pew. Yeah, cook me something. Cooking time. We have pre-made food, right? Oh no, we gotta feed them too? No way. It's a nice area to just camp. Who? Season 1 crew that we fed for a bit too, right? Genki na Arageki. They were chill. Wait, something was freaky about this girl though, right? I forget the individual quirks, but why do I feel like this blonde girl was freaky? Was she? Am I getting things mixed up? Maybe the freaky one is just the one that wants to fuck Fel from last episode, the guild receptionist. I feel like the blonde girl had something different though. Hmm.
というわけで、おとといこの町について早速昨日から潜っているわけだ。ですけど、この町のダンジョンの話を聞いたら、フェルが入るって聞かなくて。ところで向田さん。
Yeah, we got a slime and a dragon now. Grown ass man. Bros and unk. What? Is the name funny? I wish Sui had bigger arms. Imagine Sui just like came up with like some insane fucking like bodybuilding arms. Like, whoa, where did that come from? Right, only Mukura can hear Sui. Telepathic communications. Even Dora, I think? Fel can communicate openly though. So cute. Yeah. They got that kawaii charm. Oi, make me some fucking food already. Make yourself useful. Are you sure I'm the master and they're the servant? They're just using him. He did not like that. Fel got pissed off. Sharing? What do you got? Damn, the fruit Sakuga! Look at the fluids! Look at the glaze! God, it looks so good. It looks just... I'm not saying like the food looks good, but like the animation of the food. The colorful hue, the lighting on the beef, the succulent flavors all just coming into these frames. Look at it. The reflection on the meat, the carrots. It's so aesthetically pleasing. A mukbang anime. What? It's only sus because she says it. Mukbang commentary. Let's go. Dude, the picture of the food just looks so good. Even like the layers, like over here, the outer layer, the inner, and this part, you can like literally see such detail in the soup here. It just looks so good to look at.
で何の肉なんですか？ワイバーンですね。
Wyvern meat tastes good!
すまない。そんな高級食
Expensive meat, true.
いや、いっぱいありますんで。
Hell yeah. We got
ベル
leftovers.
とスイ
フェル様だ。
Look at Phil. Oi. Oi, look at him just like let's poke at the bowl. Give me more food.
さすがフェル様だ。
スイちゃんも本当に強いんだね。
SUI go pew
そう
pew.
いうことなんで。おっと。皆さんは？
Of course. Seconds, please.
作りがいがあるな。
Jealous other parties. They just eating dry ass turkey. Alright.
海を探索しようと思う。
Good
わ
luck.
かりました。皆さんお気をつけて。
Please no death flags.
フェル様がいるから大丈夫か。
Mm-hmm.
さて、
Dora's so cute too. 12th floor. 13. 14. 15. Holy.
階層か。
We are
なんか
deep.
15階層までと違う雰囲気になってき
Looks
た。
like mines down here.
問題もある。
Trap?
何の音？
A ball's coming? A rolling ball. Yeah! Classic. Too easy. Would you want a rolling ball or an arrow? I feel like I would take the rolling ball. I feel like I could have more chances to survive against that than like an arrow that would just be shot at me with little to no reaction time and I just get hit and I'm done.
罠がえぐくない。
俺たちの強さ見直したか？じゃんじゃん倒していくからな。
Ganesh!
最深部に行きたいものだ。
俺は行きたくないけどね。
向こうに何かあるよ。
Hidden entrance?
お、あれは。
Nah. Mimic. We've learned this from Furiren so many times. Don't get baited.
お、あれは宝箱。
No, no, no.
お手柄だぞスイ。ダンジョンって言ったらこんなテンション上がんのか。いざ。
待て。
Yeah, yeah. Good call.
ただろ。
Bell knows.
よく見てみろ。
鑑定。
こりゃほっとくとすぐやられちまい。
Damn, the appraisal just kind of cheating. It tells of everything.
するか。
それがよかろう。我やスイたちは加護によって守られておるが、お主我が開けてやる。
Alright.
異世界人よ。
Goddess.
聞こえるか？てかな過去だかな。我ら女神が過去を重ねたことされておる。
A lot of miners became normal. That sounds wrong. The girl goddess, the fiery one, she likes drinking with the boys, huh?
神が同じ人間に過去を与えるなど珍しいことでの。気づくのがにもならんし毒ガスも効かん。ちょっとや
Nice.
そっとのことではしなんから安心せ
Just ball out. Give me more snacks.
本当どこでそんな言葉を覚えてくんだよ。
I don't know.
重ねがけされてるから平気らしい。
ほう。ニンニル様が言うならばそうなのだろう。
Let's see it. Fart time. Oh! Sweet loves it.
寒いくらいで大丈夫。
Nothing. Just a
毒ガス。
just a chest to fart for nothing. Yo, he's motivated now though.
出しよって。
He got done dirty. Want to be just another fucking fart chest, but even bigger.
でか。
ここら一帯の一番奥だからな。取っておる。
Mimic. Hey, it's a mimic this time.
はい魔物でした。
Furiren.
ミミックさだ。何か溜め込んでいるかもしれんな。
He can just smell it, man.
よし。やってみるか。
The sweet sword.
つけてね。
早く
Okay.
やれ。
Oh! Yo, sword! Sword! Sword!
やった。
The voice the voice acting, not gonna lie, pretty funny. Bro's got like an OPS sword. Just scared like a child. It worked though. Alright, what's the reward?
おかげだな。
Oh, now that's a chest.
宝石箱だ。
Fancy.
お、しかもいい。
よかったではないか。
お、
階段見
20 second. When's it gonna get actually really dangerous? Oh!
何これ
We got some Danmachi-ass dungeon floors now. Also Mugen Gacha too. Where each floor might as well be another world.
何これ
Cool?
こう来たか。
全然面白くないから
It's 22nd floor, it's about time. Even Fell acknowledges it. Whoa, okay. What could the threat be?
分かった分かった
Praying Mantis?
B ランクだ
Dora, do your thing. Shoutouts to Hassan's dog. Too easy.
いいではないか。
また一人で戦おうってんだぜ
Keep up. Y'all too slow. Aww.
まあまあここはまた順番で戦う
Let's we go pew pew more.
しょうがねえな
主が言うならスイそうするよ
スイはいい子
Oh. Okay. Bro just tackled through. Sui pew pew.
そのまま体液を吸い取る。
なんて凶悪なスイ遠くから攻撃
Pew 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 pew. Let's go. Let's get it.
すごいねスイは
Mukoda says that like he's terrified of the child. He's like, Sui, you are dangerous.
すごいねスイは
He's very cute, but he's also dangerous.
近づいた。すぐそこだ。
ちょっと待ってくれフェル
Mm.
その強い気配ってその前に一回飯にしよう念のため俺もネットスーパーの食材でステータスの
今のままでも負けることはないが、異世界の食材を食うというのはいいじゃん
Snack break.
だ。
ステーキがいいか
それが
Wagyu.
よし味気ないから
I've still never had Wagyu beef in my life. I gotta get some Wagyu, man. I need to go to Japan and check out the Wagyu beef there. I'm sure I could find some here, but I've honestly, I don't think I've ever had Wagyu beef yet.
これだけじゃ味気ないから塩レモンとネギ塩
That sounds
それ
good.
に黒胡椒ローストなんての
Oh,
も
never had roast duck either.
それと焼き鳥のももとレバーちょっとお待たせ
That looks so good.
力つけてな
It's just a meat platter. Holy, look at the oil. Look at the oil animation. In this little chunk of water, look at the flickering of the details. Alright.
早いな
More meat platter.
これもパリッとジューシーで
Looks so good. That's like the fourth serving!
やはり異世界のものもうまい。
よかったよかった
Now we should be
さて
buffed.
フェルすげえ
What the fuck? Plus 4,000? Bro, this is like... Dude. It's at 9,000 now, but it had a plus 4.5k. That's an insane amount. This is like half. It's literally doubling it. They basically started out at 4k and had another fucking 4k on top of it.
ドラちゃんは
Insane.
やりすぎたかスイはどうかなまあボス戦だし
They all got Doublade.
さて最後は俺だ
そもそもお主が
てもらわねえと
Plus 6. Plus. Like everyone pretty much got fucking double. Like Mukoda should get plus 200. Like he should have gotten a plus 100 to reach 200, you know? But what the fuck? I mean, he didn't eat the meat platter though. He ate the glizzies. You know?
だけかよ
That is sad. That's actually so disappointing. It's not like he needs it though compared to them. It's crazy though. If we just look at the stats, obviously Fell is the craziest, right? Fell stats are insane. Dora, pretty good. Sui, it goes Sui, Dora, Fell. That's kind of like, you know, how the numbers go. All right, let's check out our little skit at the end. Still looking at the
まあ
stats.
サンドイッチとお惣菜詰まるだろう
Yeah,
こ
maybe.
んな考えではいつまで経ってもレベルが上がらんぞ。
ああそう完全防御ってスキル
Perfect defense. Bro got
フェ
Mugen.
ルの結界があるからいらな戦になるならいいか。ダンジ
Okay.
ョン怖いし。
Alright, that's cute. Alright, that's another episode of Campfire Cooking Another World. This is probably my favorite episode so far. We're actually in a dungeon and we're doing a little bit of exploring. The fight scenes I don't really care about, but still it's fun to see the different traps, you know, making Mukoda terrified. It's something that we've already known the entire time. Looking at the season 1 party, you know, the what's it called? Reuniting with them, that was kind of nice. I forgot a lot of details about them, but the food looks so good, man. What else is going on? Just more just funny, you know, interactions with Mukoda being terrified, wanting to get treasures, being done dirty by Chest, and the food animation looks superb. We're getting deeper and deeper. I wonder exactly how far we're gonna go. Finally, Fel is saying that there's something worthy here of respect. Again, the power scaling is SUI, then Dora, then Fel. And Mukoda is just so insignificant, but it's alright, he'll get carried by them. That's it from me. If you're still here though, if you enjoyed this reaction, please like the video, check out the other playlists for even more content, and until next time, take care.